Surely, Anto. Umeshindwa ukinitafuta. Unataka nini?
Unajua like una play hard siwezi kupata, but then still the fact that you have got messes between me and you like cannot allow me to be alone. So that is why nakutafuta. I want us to sort out things. At least you forgive me. At least I want us to have peace. Because I know like nimejaribu to mind about my own life, but then it's equally impossible. Najua you know a lot of my bad side, but then still it happened. I can't deny. I can take all the blame and everything. I even watched everything, then kila mtu ako zile za I'm the one who is the wrong door. Of course I accept, but then still remember that me na wewe tuko na relationship, if I can say, and still mi bado nakupenda. That is why I decided to just follow you and I haven't followed anybody else. Kwa maana nimekufuata tu, nadai tu tuelewane. That is all I want from you.
Surely, mtu anapenda mwingine anaweza mfanyia zile vitu ulinifanyia kweli?
Okay, no, that is why I said that nilifanya mistakes, you see. People saying that mi ndo mwenye mistakes, like everything, of course. That is why I said I accept. No. Najua ni hard to believe like nilikuwa nakupenda and then I did all that, and that is why I'm sorry and I don't really want you.
Okay, mimi actually Anto sikuwa najua na singewahi amini ungekuja unifanyie kitu kama hiyo. Wewe, guy. Kukupenda nilikuwa nakupenda. Lakini sijui.
Then ulikuwa unanipenda, that is right. Everything was okay. Until tukaanza kuwa na issues kwa nyumba, you see. That is the time everything changed. Like I had no option and I'm not just coming here to justify my mistakes. Venye tu naomba tu like, I know you are not okay with whatever that happened. And if I can say that I'm not similarly okay, maybe uwezamini, but that is the situation. That is why I'm here. Just want your forgiveness. And then we see whether maybe we can build up something.
Mimi actually naumia kwa roho yangu. Like naumia. Totally. Sijui kama life yangu itaikuwa same ka kitambo. Job, I'm not even concentrating kazi. It's like hata nitafika mahali ninaona ni kama nita lose job yangu. Sasa.
I know like it's stressful in that situation, but then still it happen. The best thing we can do is just to settle down the things and then we set on another life. Tuone venye tunaweza solution, because like now you said that it's affecting your work. Still if we be like this, you don't talk to me, I don't talk to you. So do you think that we can solve that one like that?
So the issue ni unataka to solve. By me solving issues, unataka turudiane bado like. You know that picha ya madhe na kukuona wewe kwa bed haijawahi nitoka, na sijui kama hata hiyo ni memory naweza fika hivi nisahau tu hivyo haraka.
Okay, I know like huwezi kutoka, but then still I explain to you, nilikwambia venye all those things happened, you see. So, and I'm not like si must turudiane, but I want us to be at peace at least. That is the least that I want. The other things maybe later, but then for now I just want to be at peace with you, because like when I remember the moments that we had before, everything went into mess. Like I feel like nilikukosea, I accept, but then
Okay,
the memories and everything still they can't leave me.
ulikuwa unasema mama alikuwa anakuthreaten. Aya. Na huyo msichana mwingine mweupe, the tall lady ule mweupe, pia huyo naye alikuthreaten.
Honestly, I don't even understand when hiyo dem aliingia kwa maisha yangu. That is why I've not gone to follow her. Nimekuja kwako Lilian, because I know my heart belongs to you. And if at all I didn't love you, then singe show up kukutafuta. Ningeenda tu maybe nitafute dem mwingine. But then the time we spent was a lot. We cannot just move on like that. It's not easy, I know. Maybe you can let me go because of what I did, but then kwangu ni hard still, because despite all that I did, still I was focused on you. I know that I loved you.
Wewe ulikuwa unajua nilikuwa nakupenda. I used to love you. So, Anton. Mimi hadi nashindwa nitakwambia nini.
Of course it's sad, but I know that.
Nitaambia nini watu like
Feel like what to leave alone the people. The people obviously wako na their compliments, wako na comments zao and everything. But then you know it was me and you. Until all that happened, it was me and you. We are the ones who knew how we treated each other. So still we can make it. Mi na wewe tu.
mimi kaa ni kuwasamea, nitawasamea. But si eti niko na ile roho yenye I can't even forgive someone. Kuwasamea nitawasamea, but sidhani kama things zitarudi kuwa vile zilikuwa kitambo. Cause you never know. I never know nini itakuja kuhappen after hamper, so
Of course you never know, but then me I've already learned from my mistakes. Like there are the mistakes that I'll never repeat. But then you saying that you do forgive us, then still there's nothing that can happen between me and you. So like I don't understand it. Like umetusamea ma, we're just saying it for the sake of like let it be.
no, actually mimi hata niliwasameanga kitambo sana. Sitaki kubeba hiyo grudge, sitaki but
I know Taki, but then the thing is that mi nilikubali. I've tried to mind about my own life all these days that I've been away, but then still my mind just comes back to you. That is why I'm after you all the time. Like, me too nakudai too. Just keep me close to you. If then maybe we cannot have a relationship, it can't be Lillian and Anto again, then just keep me close. Don't just throw me away completely. Maybe in the process something can come up, and in case it doesn't, then at least tutakuwa at a point whereby everybody will be having peace.
actually mimi hapo kwa kukuweka close, it's a no for me.
Okay,
It's a no,
I know,
no,
I
no
know it's
for
a no,
me.
but then still you can do it with your own rules. I promise I can't break kind of them. Unaweza ni keep too close, but then you can give me the operational rules, then you operate nazo. Siwezi break hata moja. That is a promise. For once I will keep it.
Saizi nikifanya kitu, acha tu nikae chini nijifikirie. What am I going to do? Ni right ama like koaji? So sitaki sahi kumake two decisions just because of zinamekiwa, no. Like nikifanya vitu saizi, let me just have my time. I take my own time nijue nitafanya hivyo ama sitafanya, and then nitakwambia.
Of course I know you do need time, but then there's no difference. All that happened already, uko na account ya hizo vitu zote, so it means that we still can give it a chance this time. Then if it doesn't work out, then we will know that at least we tried our best, but then maybe we were not meant to be together.
Like unaongelelea chance, like chance. Mimi ile nini nilikuwa nimekupea for the first time. Anyway, ilikuwa imetosha. For now, I'm not ready for anything. Like, I'm not ready. I just want to be left alone. Najua nataka nini na maisha yangu sasa.
Like now, how will you manage to be alone? Like you see, it's already eating up your mind completely. You see, and then still you say you don't want to be close to me. Then just allow me to fix this only. After I fixed it, then if you want me to leave, then I know we can fix this. Come on, think about it. If we made it all the time, does it mean that now, because of just one, two mistakes, we can't make it?
And like okay, unataka nifanye nini? Totally kabisa, mimi mwenyewe unataka nifanye nini? Unataka nifanye?
Just allow me to fix it. Give me time. I promise I'll fix it. That is all.
Kufix nini? Hapo ni nini unaweza fix? Like what? What will you fix?
I'll fix the mistakes that I did. I fix our past.
Basically, sijui nitakwambia ni like sioni kama kuna anything hapo unaweza fix. Like sidhani, sioni kama iko.
But then I've told you, like, I can fix it. That is it. That is why I'm here. Others even knew that I cannot be successful in this, then ningekuwa nishajikata. Ningekuwa nimejitoa, nimejiondoa, nipiga mitende tu, tutafute maisha ingine.
Mimi sijui nitakwambia tu.
So
No, kitu mimi naweza kwambia we shughulika tu na life yako, fanya vitu zako. Maybe yeah. Sahau na mimi kwanza.
But then that is the hardest thing that I can't afford to do that. How can I forget about you? Of course I can focus on my life, but then still there is you. Do you think I love peace? Knowing that you are somewhere depressed because of me. Lilian, we can do this. Just figure it out. We can do it. I just want you to get back to yourself. That is what I want to achieve. So first of all, I just want you to be back to the normal you who used to go to work, the person who is happy always. That is what I want. But then seeing you in depression, still even if I'm a mistakes man, still it doesn't add up to my mind. Like I can just walk in the streets knowing all that, and I'm the cause. Just give me the chance. I can make it back to the people we are. And I said it's not necessary that we do the dating part. Lilian, come on, you can do it, please. We can do this. I remember we used to be in love. Why you just focusing on the bad side of me? Lilian, come on, please. You can do it. Trust me for once, Lilian. Come on, trust me. Trust me, Lilian. I know we can. Come on, please. We can. We can, Lilian. Lilian, we can. We can do it. Believe me. Lilian, please. I know you don't want me around you, but then please. Let's do this for the sake of you. Not even me.
Mimi niko sawa. I'm okay.
But then you're not fine.
I am.
It is just a say.
No, mimi niko sawa.
But then your life, your actions and everything,
No, mimi niko
it's
sawa.
clear that you are not fine. Come
I
on,
am.
please. Come on.
Mimi niko sawa.
But then how?
I'm okay.
You see yourself, you are not fine. You're just depressed. Please. Lilian, please.
Achana tu na mimi.
For
niko
the sake
sawa.
of the past group that we had, please.
Imagine I'm okay. I'm okay.
I know you ain't. I know you're not okay.
Mimi niko sawa.
But then, why should you pretend, Lillian?
I'm not.
You're just pretending. Look
I'm
at
not.
yourself. Just analyze your life of late. You're not okay.
Mi niko sawa.
So you just want me to leave you. And in that way, you're gonna be happy. Are you serious? So
Ndio
me
kitu
being
peke
here,
yake naweza like
so me being here, I'm just disturbing you and depressing you.
nipe tu time yangu. Just give me my time. That's what I want.
Okay, then it's okay. If that is all you want, and if that is what gives you peace, then what do? Should leave you alone.
Yeah.